This video will show you how to keep pests out of your property using predator urine. Predator urine works by recreating the communication vehicle that guides animals in the wild. An animal's primary survival motivation is controlled by the desire for food and fear of predators. The desire for food brings animals into your yard, gardens, homes, and vehicles looking for something to eat. If their quest for food is interrupted by the presence of a predator, they'll go elsewhere in search of their meal. The way a predator's presence is detected in the wild is through the telltale scent of their urine. If you place predator urine in a place where you don't want pests, it interrupts their quest for food and protects your plants and property from pest animal damage. It provides a barrier right where you need it. Now that you know how predator urine works, you do need to match your pest to the urine of that particular predator that hunts them and ends your pest problem using nature's natural critter deterrent tools. Animals like deer, mice, rats, skunks, squirrels, cats, and even suburban coyotes react to the scent of predator pee by seeking to avoid those predators at all costs. Let's take a look at the most common animals that predator urine will repel. Squirrels. Squirrels are natural predators of foxes, so they'll always keep away from areas where a fox is commonly seen. You can get fox urine at an online store or at a zoo, which can be used to keep squirrels out of your garden and residence. To keep squirrels away, fill a spray bottle with fox urine and spray it in the attic near the plant beds. Raccoons. A product like Shake Away is one of the strongest repellents against raccoons that's natural and safe to use. It uses the scent of a coyote's urine to repel them. A coyote is one of the raccoon's biggest predators, making their urine a beneficial repellent against them. Coyote urine can be bought as a liquid, powder, or in capsule form. The liquid can be placed inside of a plastic dispensing bottle that you can hang from a tree in your yard. The scent is supposed to stay potent for at least a month or two. It's recommended, though, that you spray it on your plants directly to keep them from being eaten by other animals as well. The powder form can be placed around the perimeter of your lawn, while the capsules can be planted in the ground for a repellent that lasts much longer. Capsules can keep the raccoons away for up to 2 months. The product is 100% organic, making it harmless to animals, plants, and people. However, repellents are only temporary and need to be refreshed after so many months. You can also use mountain lion urine or wolf urine. Skunks. If you have a dog, then you may want to let it do its business close to the den. The smells of dog urine represent a potential predator to the skunk, and it will not want to go anywhere near a predator. If you do not own a dog, you can get coyote urine at online stores that'll also work, but you have to keep in mind that if it rains, you'll have to sprinkle some more as soon as the ground dries. Remember that skunks are persistent, and you should be as persistent as they are if you want to get rid of them. Use these repellents on a daily basis until the skunk is gone, and then remove all incentives for the skunk to come back. That means fence the garden and do not leave trash outside for long periods of time. Cats. Coyote urine, wolf urine, bobcat urine, and panther urine are all commercially available for this purpose. If a cat smells the urine of a recognized predator when they approach the treated area, they'll think there's a predator close by and leave, fearing for their life. Mice and rats. At certain times during the year, mice and rats look for shelter from weather or to find a place to nest and have babies. A mouse thinks your house, basement, attic, barn, shed, cellar, or garage would be just the right kind of place. To keep mice out with a natural mice deterrent, you can use bobcat pee to create a bobcat urine scent barrier around your home. The scent of a mouse's most feared predator will communicate to a mouse that your home is not a safe place to be, creating a natural mouse repellent. Anyone can purchase bobcat pee online, and spraying this in appropriate places will send the rodents scurrying away. Rabbits. Anyone who gardens knows how quickly a rabbit can devour plants and vegetables. Fox urine is the natural way to effectively repel rabbits. Using fox urine to keep rabbits out of your garden allows you to use the rabbit's own instinctive defense mechanisms to scare them away. In the wild, a rabbit is one of the fox's favorite foods. Rabbits know this too. So when a rabbit smells the scent of fox urine, he's on alert because he knows that a dangerous predator is nearby. Fox urine sprayed in the garden creates the illusion that a fox is nearby, and rabbits flee instinctively. Chipmunks. In the woods and fields, foxes are a very efficient predator. They stalk like a cat and kill like a machine. So if you have a chipmunk problem, you need a natural chipmunk repellent. Fox urine is the best deterrent for chipmunks. Fox urine comes in liquid or granular form. Deer. To repel deer, coyote urine is a good option. To use coyote urine to fool deer into thinking a predator is lurking, gardeners need to hang a bottle with holes in it filled with urine-soaked cotton balls in trees or posts around the vulnerable plants. Gardeners can also spray the urine directly on plants. It's best to apply the urine early in the season before the deer have developed their feeding patterns. Wolf urine also works. This creates the illusion that wolves are present in the garden and will immediately scare away deer. As an added bonus, wolf urine repellent also scares away coyotes, moose, bears, and cats. This is an all-around great product for gardeners to keep on hand. The repellent can be applied directly on plants or dispensed from trees, similar to the coyote urine. You also may be thinking that human urine will work. To deer, humans are predators, but it's hard to say whether or not deer can associate human urine with humans. So if you think that spreading your own pee around your garden will scare deer, think again. It's possible that human pee will attract more deer, increasing their curiosity. It's best to stick with an organic predator urine to deter deer from entering gardens. Groundhogs. Predator urine such as fox, bobcats, and other animals are natural predators of the groundhog, and their urine can be used to repel groundhogs. You can also place tubs of kitty litter which contain urine at the entrance of their burrows. Groundhogs, possums, and gophers possess a sharp sense of smell and may be deceived into thinking a predator is around, which is likely to scare them away. Store-bought repellents like shake-away fox urine granules come in various sizes and work in the same way as liquid urine. Snakes. Most people do not want to see snakes near their home, much less inside it. So when snakes appear, it's time to start considering what to use as a natural snake repellent. Snakes mostly go into homes looking for food or looking for a warm place to nest. Sometimes they just wander in by accident. But either way, you'll probably still want them gone. When a snake flicks its tongue out of its mouth and into the air, it's actually tasting the air to pick up scent particles on its highly sensitive tongue and a special organ on the roof of its mouth. This Jacobson organ, as it's known, is able to perceive whether the scent is a food or if it spells danger. Just like any other animal, snakes have predators which they are afraid of. Depending on the snake and geographic location, major predators of snakes include large birds, wild boars, mongooses, raccoons, foxes, coyotes, and even other snakes. You can purchase special online formulated predator pee that combines the urine of snake predators. This can be used around the outside of your home, barn, shed, and garage, which will keep snakes from coming in. There are also several naturally occurring substances that snakes find distasteful. They include cinnamon oil, clove oil, garlic, sulfur, and wormwood. Some of these snake repellent urines will also contain these substances for extra effectiveness. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to make mice and rats disappear in 60 seconds without using poison or traps. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.